Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a poem written by a famous Scottish novelist, poet, or essayist, R.L. Stevenson. The name of the poem is The Moon. Here in this poem, the poet is trying to describe the moon and its beauty. In the first four stanzas, the poet is saying that the moon has a face like the clock in the hall. She shines on the thieves on the garden wall, on streets and fields and harbour quays, and birdies asleep in the forks of trees. The poet is saying that the face of the moon is like a clock in the hall, and the moon shines on everybody, on the thieves, on streets and harbour quays, birds, trees, etc. The squealing cat and the squeaking mouse, the howling dog by the door of the house, the bat that lies in bed at noon, all love to be out by the light of the moon. In the second stanza, the poet is saying that the moon shines on the squealing cat and the squeaking mouse. It shines on the dog by the door of the house. It shines on the bats that lie in bed at noon and come out at night. It shines on all the creatures that love to be out at night. In the last stanza, the poet is saying that but all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way, and flowers and children close their eyes till up in the morning the sun shall rise. The poet is saying that it does not shine on some things. The things are the flowers that bloom in the daytime but do not bloom at night, the children that close their eyes in the night time and sleep, the moon does not shine on them. All those things that do not belong to night do not get the moonlight. So, students, in this poem, the poet is trying to describe the things that the moon shines on at night. So, this is your lesson for today. You just go through the poem, try to learn the meanings, and note down the difficult words. Thank you so much.